Let's replace an alternator on a BMW. Let's unlock this. Will she start actually? Customer brought their own part, used part. Nope. Nope. Let's open it up real quick. Let's go get the jump box. See, that's the used part right there. Let's go jump her. Okay. Let's jump it. Ground. Positive. 12 volts. Yeah. Let's take this off first. There. There. Okay. Get it on. Right there. Pretty decent. Let's take the wheels off. There's the alternator. It looks pretty new actually. Huh. Let's go disconnect that battery. Okay. Disconnect the Mama Jim. Sit it right there. Oh yeah. Let's get a little extension. That's what you want. Okay. Yeah, alright. Take off that belt. There you go. Connect that. Yeah. That's going to be an E12. E12. Then we can move this out of the way. There she is. Okay, so now that I'm looking at this, they look like they got this from a junkyard. Because the junkyard usually puts all the blue paint on these bolts. Same thing with this one. See that? Blue paint. Alright, well, let's put it on. Okay, connect that stuff. Cable, snuggies. Woo. All right. Passa the ball. Alrighty then. Right there. There you go. For now, you're okay. Woo. Yeah. Right. Boys on. All right, another used alternator in it. Let's go connect the battery. 50-50. 12 volts. My jump box is dead, guys. Son of a gun. Needs to charge. Let's go find the other one. All right, we got her started. My jump box was dead. The shop jump box was dead. So I had to go borrow Jose's. He let me borrow his, and we got a jump. And I tested to see if it was charging. I put a load on it, and it's charging now. Check it out. Bam, 14.3. Even under a load, it's charging. We turned the headlights on, we turned AC on, we turned radio, everything. It's at 14. So she's charging now. Junkyard alternator saved the day. All right, let's go for a test drive.